Hi everyone, welcome to Be Different for Success. Today we'll be talking about 8 benefits of journaling. The majority of people write every single day without even noticing. Are you one of them? Do you chat with your loved ones using your smartphone or reply to emails sent by colleagues at your workplace? Do you write to potential customers regularly? Writing is one aspect of life that cannot be ignored. Have you ever thought of the benefits of writing? Since we were little kids, our teachers taught and encouraged us to write. In high school and college, teachers get their students to take notes during class. Why is writing so emphasized? Every successful person understands the importance of writing. It's unusual to catch a successful person without a pen and a notepad or a piece of paper nearby. Writing has been proven to promote physical and mental benefits. Students and employees who take notes are twice as likely to remember things than those who don't. Nowadays, everyone who wants to succeed in life is encouraged to keep a journal. Journaling involves writing down your thoughts and emotions at any specific time. Journaling is all about understanding oneself. Once you understand yourself, all boundaries that are preventing you from achieving your potential will fall away. Today, we are going to discuss 8 life-changing benefits of journaling daily. Number 1. Journaling boosts your creativity. Let's face it, most people live their lives to please others instead of themselves. Most of their time is spent on helping other people achieve their objectives by submitting to their socializations. These people have not yet organized their minds consciously for them to command their waking and sleeping time. They keep reacting to their environment without inner guidance. For instance, the majority of people wake up and look at their messages or emails immediately. Reacting to other people's agenda is their number one priority. On the other hand, successful people who succeed in life wake up and immediately journal for a couple of minutes. Creative people focus more on output than input. Detaching yourself from technological addiction and servitude and focusing on understanding yourself will improve your life. And it is well known that the morning hours are usually the most creative hours because the mind is most active. Number 2. Journaling helps you achieve your goals. Journaling and reviewing your goals every morning will help you achieve them faster. Knowing what you want is the first step to getting it. As the popular saying goes, you can't hit a target you can't see. So reading and rewriting your goals makes it easier for them to be transferred to the subconscious mind, which is the key to manifesting your goals. Number 3. Journaling helps you recover. According to academic reviews, people who struggle to succeed in their field can benefit a lot by journaling. Most people spend too much time living in the past and in the future. Only a few realize the importance of the present moment. Journaling prevents the mind from wandering by forcing it to focus on the present moment. Most people suffering from depression and trauma are usually encouraged to journal so that they can focus on the present moment. Once you understand yourself completely, the doors will open. Number 4. Journaling enhances clarity. Clarity is the key to success in everything you do. A disorganized mind is the greatest liability one can ever have, and a disorganized mind is not a clear mind. By journaling every morning, you'll start seeing your life clearly. You'll know what needs to be eliminated and adjusted for you to move forward. Once you are clear with yourself, you will gradually start feeling happy about yourself. You'll discover that you have the potential to become whatever you want. Number 5. Journaling improves learning. Given what has been said, teachers and professors encourage students to take notes because it helps them retain information in the long run. Writing things down boosts your memory and increases the development of your brain. If you've been wondering why mentors encourage their mentees to write down their goals, now you know why. Additionally, journaling helps you solve complex problems, which further improve your learning experience. Number 6. Journaling increases gratitude. The best way to be grateful for what you have is to write about it. Gratitude is the key that connects us to the Supreme. After getting what they want, most people break this connection by forgetting to be grateful for what they have regularly. If you want more things in life, you have to be grateful for the things you have now. Otherwise, your life will be a total waste. When you write about how grateful you are, you'll find yourself dropping the pen down and thinking deeply. When you focus on what you have, you will naturally attract more because you are operating from a place of abundance. On the other hand, people who are not grateful operate from a place of scarcity most of the time. This state of mind drives people and things away from them. Gratitude has proven to make people happy, likable, and understand their emotions, helps in becoming healthier and optimistic. Number 7. Journaling boosts self-confidence. Journaling is all about helping you accept yourself the way you are. Nowadays, the majority of people don't like themselves the way they are. In fact, it's hard for them to look at themselves for what they really are. Lack of self-confidence is one of the top reasons why people never achieve their most important goals. If you do not feel confident about yourself, how do you expect others to trust and feel happy around you? Journaling helps you understand your thoughts and emotions clearly. To better understand yourself, you have to accept it first. Once you accept yourself the way you are, the world around you will accept you as you are. Remember, the world around you reflects who you are on the inside. Number 8. Journaling strengthens self-discipline. Setting aside some time to journal every day is a good act of self-discipline. Think of discipline as a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets, and a repeated act creates a habit. In general, people who are disciplined in one area of life tend to be disciplined in other areas of life, such as keeping their desks and houses tidy, and working hard to accomplish the day-to-day objectives. In order to experience success, you've got to stay disciplined and consistent. In conclusion, as you've seen, journaling has several proven benefits that you can't ignore. You need to start journaling if you haven't started yet. You have to be patient and consistent with journaling for you to start seeing some results. Remember, once you understand yourself, nothing will stop you from achieving your dreams. As the Greek philosopher said, "I know thyself." Have you tried journaling? Do you already journal every day? Let us know what you think about journaling below. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please click the thumbs up and write your personal tips in the comments below. Thank you for your support. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to hear more from us. See you in the next video.